Hey guys, welcome to another video of Sophie's channel. Now, I'm only the one here today because basically, I want you to subscribe to her account. She had like 2 weeks of so she had like 2 weeks of more than 2 weeks of being on 13 subscribers, and it's really annoying her. So what the hell are you doing? Just subscribe to her. It's easy. So yeah, please subscribe to her, and also shout her out on Instagram too. And yeah, this is her Instagram. Shout out on her Instagram too. Shout out on my Instagram too. My Instagram's right here. Pause the video. And also shout out to alright, so this is my channel, so subscribe to that. And yeah, so like, subscribe guys. And yeah, see ya.